What's up everybody? So we're going to be looking at Chitty Chatty today. Last time we did a video, it was pretty much done, but not quite. The bridge actually over 44 should be done by September, they said. So as we enter into Chitty Chatty, we are going to turn south. This is actually east off of 44. This is east off of Morse Boulevard. And then we're gonna turn south here toward Bradford. What you see right here is actually the golf cart path that's going to run from the Chitty Chatty Bridge all the way through Chitty Chatty. Continue down through Bradford. So up ahead here you're going to see actually Bradford through the trees, which I'll be doing an update on those houses as well. They actually have been doing quite a bit over in Bradford. You can see there's two paths, one around the lake or retention pond and then one through the middle, which is the same as what Chitty Chatty has now. So as we come over the trees, you're gonna see the Chitty Chatty, the whole area. They're starting to build these outside houses along the edge now. They're supposed to have more premier homes in Chitty Chatty, a little bigger, a little more room to kind of decide on what you want to do with your yard and all that type of thing. And then you can see the golf cart path, or same deal with Bradford around the little lake here. So you'll be able to take the scenic view, or you'll be able to go straight through Chitty Chatty down to Bradford. Over on the east side here in those trees, that's actually the Chitty Chatty Preserve that you're looking at. And that follows the east side of Chitty Chatty all along the entire development. As we continue to go through here, we're gonna head up toward the bridge. Like I said earlier, the bridge is going to be ready in September, or that's what they're pushing to do. They want all of this connected over 44 and over the turnpike by the end of this year, start of the new year. So end of 2020, the beginning of 2021. They have a lot of building to do between now and then, that's for sure. You see the vacant lots that they're working on the other side, on the west side also. Those weren't there before. Last time we did the video, the lots were there, but not the houses. There's more of the golf cart path right down the middle there. And that's how you're going to get either over 44 going north or south. We're gonna follow it along here. Obviously the construction stops there for the path, but they are working on the path and the bridge, and this is going to be the first bridge that they open up. You have this bridge and then you have the other one out of Brownwood. The one in Brownwood is going to open up, they're pushing for October. And then the final one down over the turnpike will be the last one that they do. That's Highway 44 there as we turn east. then as we turn back to the south, we come over a little higher view for you, so you can see the golf cart paths. Once again, you can go straight down the middle, or you can choose to do the outside path around by the Chitty Chatty Preserve. And that's a nature preserve, so they still have a lot more to do, as you can see. A lot of lots are planned out and marked out. Every time I've been down here doing video, you see people driving around, checking it out, looking at homes. I've seen realtors down there showing homes, and I've seen people out walking around looking at homes. You can see one of the lots right there actually wide open that they're about to get started on. And again, coming over the south side of Chitty Chatty, this is turning to the east, and you can see all the lots along the preserve. The preserve is a pretty big area. You can see that from the overhead. Chitty Chatty is a really pretty area, very nice, just like the rest of the villages. Their construction and landscaping is phenomenal. Hope you liked the video. If you see your house or your plot of land or what you're actually going to be building on, make sure to give us a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe. Let us know down below what you thought, and we will see you next time.